Welcome back to the new video on 25th of February 24. Today is Sunday. It's 9:30 p.m. and we'll be discussing a stock for Eli Lilly that has a weight loss drug in the market, and it's been making a noise. And the reason for it to evaluate is that it's been making a noise and it's coming down. It came down a little bit. So everyone knows that I follow the Elliott waves, and basically as of right now, this is what it looks like, our wave count. This is wave 1, 2, 3, 4. We can say the 3 and 4 was here, but right now, just to plot it, the 3 and 4 is here right now. That's what we are looking. It will change in the future as we progress. Let me zoom in. We will be focusing on this actually. So let me zoom in to show you guys. I have moved my point 2 over here. What I want to show you, that very first wave to 1 to 2, that was the correction of 78% happened, and let's see how much is the correction happening over here in this one. So it's over here. If I'm saying this was my 3 over here, then the correction happened was for 23%. That is still fine. Let's pull over here. If this is my 3, then the correction was not even 20% over here. So that is the reason I'm saying this is not my 3 and 4. This could change easily if it is that is the case. And let me move. If this is my 3 over here, a little bit up, say let's see here. So 3 and 4, I do not think that's the correct labeling, but for the future, but that will change it. Let's see more in detail. I have brought my chart to the daily candlestick pattern over here, and I have zoomed in to the range of August 23. And now what I want you to show you guys is the angle. This one was here, and the angle was changed suddenly here. So this could be our new wave or something, we don't know. That's what I want to inspect, and I want to show you more in detail. So what we will be doing is we will be just calling this our 0, 1, 2. Well, we are looking whether this one is 3, 4, and 5, if there is a chance or not. So we'll be plotting that. So if we are looking, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then there is 2 possible scenarios based on the equality of 1 and 5 being equal. Then the possibility goes to 831, and we see that based on from this scenario as well, there is 3 numbers possibilities over here. 843, 877, 911. Let's keep an eye on 911 for now. So the concept that I want to show you guys is the swing low, which is in the red color over here, and swing high. We have to see what they are making. In this case, this is low here, this is high here. Now the next low that happens to be higher low than this one, so that is called swing low, that is higher swing low. And the high that was made was equivalent to the higher that was made earlier. That could be a concern scenario, but was it or not? No, not really. That we will see. That is one strategy that works really well based on just the swing low and swing high and swing low actually. So the lower that was made still was above the lower low that was made here. If you see the progression happening over here, these are the low here, 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 and the high was higher as well. This one is low, high is here. You can call this high as well. Low came here. This one is still maintaining its progressive still right now. Even if you see, consider this and this. Now if you make one high here and this low here, still it's good. Over here high, this one is low, still it's progressive. What happened here? Higher high was made here, and the low you can call it here as well, here, but there was no bounce back. So low is here, the high is here. If you see that, now this could be very interesting. Now we have to see what it will do. I will say one thing: if it doesn't go above this one, 795, let's call it 795, then we are going to see downfall to $700 for sure. That's the way the this pattern is coming up the chart. This is High Kanashi. I will move back to the candlestick over here. Now what else we have to focus is this is 1 hour chart over here. So this is one trend line over here. What I'm very much interested in, this big candle, let me change it to a daily candle over here. This one was bearish engulfing. If you see, there was no wick, not a bigger wick, so the seller were super controlling this one. Yes, this could be the other pattern that is creating. So the decisive pattern is the break of this candle again. If it breaks upwards, then we are going to go 829 to looking for more 910 based on the Elliott wave pattern. Yes, it's looking like this is the scenario, but the correction is due in this counter as well, which we will bring it down. I need to see at least 20% of the correction from the last rally that happened from the level of, let me put it on a weekly so it's quicker. So the correction was due from here actually, 30 bucks to what we are right now at 800. 20%, 23% you give it, we are looking somewhere around the $200 in the correction value. So it's due. and who knows, this month of March could be the right month for it to bring down the correction. It's going to be very interesting how it pans out. Yes, I see some possible scenarios happening over here. Very first scenario that I'm looking, this is already, let me delete this, let me bring it down to 1 hour, let me go to Heikenhashi. This chart is more clear to see sometime. So what we are saying, this is our A, B, and C developing over here. This will be our, I'm not sure, this will be our, this could be our flat or zigzag correction looks like, or later it can develop the complex correction as well. But what I'm interested is to see in this one, whether we come here or we come here 680. That's what I'm very much interested, and that can tell me many things over here. If we don't break this one, then still we are major in the bull, because if we consider the percentage wise, it's not giving up more than 50% of this run, which happened from here to, if we come here, still it will be somewhere around, yes, it's giving 50%. I mean, still it's going to be bouncing back from here. So where we stop, 694 to 680, that's crucial. So there are two strategies to trade now, Eli Lilly now. It's pretty simple strategy that we have. The stop loss is going to be, if you are going to be a shorter side, then your stop loss is going to be around 796, let's call it 796, and you are looking, what is your risk reward over here is going to be 16-17 bucks, and on the good scenario you are looking 30, so 40 bucks down, which is still good. One more possibility that it can bring it down to 694, that's even more fruitful to you. If you are looking for that strategy, keep focusing on daily hour chart, that as you should be more cautious if it's going above this one. And if you are going on the positive side, then your stop loss is going to be this one. If it goes below 730, then you should exit it out, or you can give this one for a little bit cushion, which is 725. You will be having a stop loss of 25 bucks against the possible scenario that you might be looking is 829, so which is also very good for the longer run over here. So choose your trade wisely. As of me, for my risk appetite, I'll be waiting for the stock to have show me some correction. 694, I'll be more happy to get in around $100 correction, which we can bring it down to 690. And even if I can come down between this band, 646 to 611, my risk reward ratio becomes very positive for me, very good for me. So staggering buys could be done as well, and that's what I prefer. I do not wait till it to come between this range. I will do some staggering buys around 694, which is this cluster over here, and the second cluster I'll be interested over here. That's based on the percentage. And the stop loss, I have to give stop loss to my trade. If I'm looking at that, then my stop loss will be a little bit higher in the margins percentage wise, but the risk reward ratio that we might be looking is bigger as well. So we have to revise once we reach, if it's going downwards, we have to revise how it goes there, and we will keep an eye on Eli Lilly as well. So thank you for watching the video. If you like, please subscribe the channel and comment what would you like to see the next stock, which one you like to discuss about it. So please comment, and thank you for watching the video. I will say strong heart, happy minds, and happy trades. Thank you for watching.